back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today, a real unusual one. Spaghetti Bolognese with a mystery meat mix. Okay, let's get on with it. If you've seen my world burger, you would have seen this before. Right, a little bit of short rib, beef short rib that goes into nice little chunks on a tray, so we can freeze this off for around about 30 to 40 minutes. Right, there's all our meat on our tray. That's going to go straight in, and we're going to chill that down. It's going to firm up and make grinding this meat easier. I've just got my meat grinder out. I'm putting through the mixture of short rib and pork belly strips. Go straight in. 1 kilo of kangaroo mince. Yes, we can get that here in Australia. We're going to put this through once more on a finer grind. That just goes straight in, mince it all up, and we're going to end up with an incredibly flavoursome type of meat to use. Right, hot saucepan, a bit of olive oil, that goes straight in. 1 finely diced onion. You can use white or brown, I'll leave that up to you. Just want to get these nice and softened down. Right, next thing we're going to add in is going to be a few little cherry tomatoes. I just had those sitting in the refrigerator. Just cut those up if you want, put those in. They're going to be little bursts of flavour. Right, around about 3 diced carrots, really finely diced, okay, mirepoix style. That goes in, and around about 4 celery sticks, also really finely diced up. That's going to give us a real nice sweetness and a real nice juiciness to this meal. Give it a quick stir, make sure nothing's sticking. Right, we'll let that sweat off a little bit. We're going to add in around about 600 grams worth of our meat mixture. That's the pork, the beef and the kangaroo. Break up that mince just like I'm doing there and start getting that incorporated into everything. Some salt to taste, probably around about 2 teaspoons. Black pepper, freshly ground of course, around about 1.5 teaspoons worth, or to taste. Keep browning that meat off. Just keep stirring that through just like I'm doing right there. Now add in another couple of slices of tomato that was actually left over from our world burger. 1 400 gram can of diced tomatoes. That can go straight in. A bit of red wine to taste, and of your choice. I'm going to put in around about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons worth of garlic paste. You can use fresh garlic if you want. Around about half a handful of mixed Italian herbs, oregano, etc., thyme, you know, all that sort of deal. A little bit of basil paste, whatever I had left in that tube, which would be close to 1 teaspoon's worth. Just make sure we've got nothing sticking to the edges of the pot. Give that a good stir. Another 400 gram can of diced tomatoes. They can go straight in. Put the lid on and walk away for around about 3, 4, 5 hours. Real nice low heat. Just let that thing go. Believe me, this is an amazing meal. Right, I've already cooked up my spaghetti in a different pot. I'm going to put a little bit down on the bottom of our plate. A little bit of olive oil straight over the top of that. A little bit of Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. I'll leave that up to you. It's your choice. A little bit of our Bolognese mixture, our meat and vegetable mixture. That goes on top, just like that. A little bit more of our cheese, and we're just going to layer this up a little bit like a lasagna. That way we get all the flavors combined in each mouthful. It tastes amazing, this. And if you haven't had kangaroo or pork in a bolognese, you don't know what you're missing. It really is an extremely good flavor. Pork adds a nice little bit of fat. Kangaroo is so lean and so healthy for you. A little bit more cheese again, and before you know it, you're ready to serve this thing up. There you go. KP's unusual, or spaghetti bolognese with a difference, whatever we're going to call this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media, trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to cook something unique, different, healthy and new, just like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat this incredibly tasty bolognese, probably one of the best I've ever made, and I will catch you next time. Bye!